What's going on, folks? I want to show you all how y'all could keep your vehicle nice and cool in the summertime, especially when it's really hot like it is out, without constantly running your AC inside of your vehicle. By doing this, you also will save gas and take some of the stress off of your engine, because every time you turn on your AC compressor comes on under the hood, which basically takes more power away from your engine, because it also has to run your compressor also. So what you would need to do to keep your vehicle cool without running your AC the whole time is, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn your AC on. You want to get your AC on and running. And once your vehicle starts to get cool in the inside of it, the next thing that you want to do, which is very important, is you want to hit your recirculator right here. You'll see, like normally, like a button on most vehicles that look like that. That's your recirculator. And what this does pretty much is it takes the air that's already inside of your vehicle, and it just keeps on recirculating it throughout your vehicle. So once you hit that, what'll happen is, like I said, first get your vehicle nice and cool. That way it's the air that you're going to want to keep recirculating. And once you do that, you can go ahead and turn off your AC itself. You'll have like a button on in your vehicle that you'll see you'll be able to turn off your AC. Also, you want to make sure that you have your fan on also, because if you turn your fan all the way off, what's going to happen is, as you'll see, it's going to cause your recirculator to go off also. You see that? So you want to keep your fan on. And if you accidentally do turn your fan off, it's going to automatically make your recirculator go off also. You got to hit it again. Hit that really quick to turn that recirculator back on. That way it doesn't suck in that hot air from outside. But like I said, make sure that you have your fan on. You don't have to have your fan all the way up. You just want to make sure that you have it on. Now what you want to do pretty much is just make sure that you keep your recirculator on. Also, make sure that you don't let no windows down. And if you're going to get in and out of your vehicle, try to do it quickly, because if you open up the door or you let the window down on your vehicle, what's going to happen is you're going to let that hot air come back inside of your vehicle. Then that air is going to start becoming recirculated throughout your vehicle, and it's going to make it warm again. Also, you want to make sure that you don't turn this off. The whole time that you're in your vehicle, make sure that you got your recirculator on. Because if you was to turn off your recirculator, then what happens is your vehicle is going to start pulling outside air into the inside cabin of your vehicle. And immediately, if it's really hot outside, what you're going to feel is that hot air once again being inside of your vehicle, and then you're going to have to turn on your AC again to cool the air back down again. So first of all, like I said, what you want to do is get your vehicle nice and cool by using your AC. Just turn it on like that by using your AC compressor. And like I said, once you get that nice and cool, then what you want to do is make sure you have your recirculator on, as well as, like, what I like to do is just turn on, because this is a longer vehicle, so I also have like a rear system, AC system. So what I like to do is turn it on. That way it will cool the vehicle down all the way around the vehicle. But if you're in a car or something smaller, you may not have that, but the same process still works. Like I said, you want to make sure that you turn on your AC recirculator, and then, like I said, make sure you keep that on, because if you turn this off right here, what's going to happen is you're going to start sucking the air from outside, and that's going to make the air inside your vehicle become really warm again, and then you're going to need to turn on your AC again. So, all right, folks, once again, this is how you can keep your vehicle nice and cool in the summertime without using your AC compressor the whole time, which can burn more gas. The same concept applies in the wintertime also. Once you get your vehicle nice and warm, a lot of times you can turn off the heat for a little while and just let that warm air constantly recirculate. All right, folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.